Hello friends, if you are planning to give GCP Cloud Architect certification, you must be aware that recently certain new case studies were added in the course. I passed this exam just last week and there were 6 questions from EHR healthcare case study. So I have given here a sample solution which you might find useful. There are various other ways to do the same thing and I will show what I found as the best fit. In this video, I will also share a few tips on what topics are covered in the exam. So, EHR Healthcare manages health record software in the medical industry. As of now, they are hosted in multiple co-location facilities. The lease on one of the data centers is about to expire, and they chose Google Cloud for this replacement. They have various business requirements like 99.9% availability, centralized visibility. They want insights into trends, generate reports, and others. Full technical requirements and executive statement are mentioned in the Google web link, and I have given the link in description. Please go and check that to get a better understanding on the requirements. Now let's look at the sample solution. One of the main technical points is that they want to maintain and manage multiple container-based environments. We will use Anthos for running Kubernetes. We need a solution that is both scalable and resilient. They want hybrid setup, and Anthos will help them in managing on cloud as well as on-premise data center. In the exam, I got around 20 questions on Anthos, GKE, and containers. 4 of them were from this case study. So this is a topic you should go back and study in great depth. Second point is data is stored as of now in MySQL, Redis, and MongoDB. We will use Cloud SQL to replace MySQL, Memory Store to replace Redis. For MongoDB, we can use NoSQL offering data store. See, if exam question is very specific about using MongoDB, some of the options we can use is we can get a pre-built MongoDB image from Marketplace, or we can also use a compute VM instance and configure MongoDB in it. For logging requirements, we can use cloud logging. Logs can be stored in cloud storage. That would be a cheaper option, and it also has lifecycle management. But if the exam question is specific about analytics, please choose BigQuery. For monitoring requirements, we can use cloud monitoring. It will also take care of alerts which can be actioned upon, since this is one of the requirements which case study mentions. Next requirement is to ingest data and process it. For data ingestion, we can use PubSub. It is highly scalable, asynchronous, and data ingestion can be done real time. Data flow can be used for both stream and batch-based processing. For generating industry trends and analytics, we have an easy choice, BigQuery. It is a serverless data warehouse where we can analyze petabytes of data. After data is processed by Dataflow, it will be stored in BigQuery. Next, EHR wants low latency and highly secure infrastructure. We can use Cloud Interconnect for connection between on-premise and Google Cloud. Use Cloud CDN for low latency. Users are managed as of now by Microsoft AD. For this, we can use ADFS in Google Cloud and GCDS for sync. So this is the way I will solve EHR healthcare case study. As I said earlier, there can be other ways too. Do comment and let me know what changes you will like to make. Also, I will be sharing videos for other case studies, and I will also give tips on how to pass this exam in my next video. So please subscribe my channel.